ऑलमोस्ट सुबह के 10:15 हो चुके हैं। अभी नेक्स्ट डे, कल रात बहुत लेट हो गए थे, अंधेरा हो गया था, फिर हमने काम रोक दिया था। अभी सुबह 10:15 के करीब का वक्त है। अभी इंशाल्लाह हम इसको शुरू करेंगे। और अब इस लाइन को फॉलो करते हुए हम एक स्वेल बनाएंगे। आगे जाके ये लेफ़्ट हैंड को टर्न हो जाती है। और फिर मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में इसका दिखाता हूँ कि कैसे हम करते हैं। It's a hazy morning in Punjab, Pakistan, and we are installing a swale on our land. At the moment, it's only 1 acre that we're gonna install the swale in, and the work is going on. We did some work last night, but it got quite late and dark, so we left it, and in the morning we started again. It's about 10:30 now, and it's the final swale that we're gonna put in this acre of land. This is the acre that we are working on at the moment, and there are 2 swales that we have put in place. We've installed 2 swales already. The third one the machine is working at. And this area here where the fodder is being cut or taken out, we're gonna make a small pond here. So this is kind of the topmost corner of this particular acre, because then we've got our acreage then is beyond this field going all the way along down to the road, and then these acres up here, but they're going to be on the higher side, so they're not going to benefit from all the waterworks that we are doing here. But what hopefully we're going to do is in the next stage, we're going to extend these swales along these acres and then further down towards the road. Altogether we've got around 16 acres, and this is the first one we are doing, and then hopefully slowly we'll improve it and take it to next acres, or spread it around to the rest of the land. Now here is what we have left as a spillway, and then the mound is there going along. The pond is going to be here, so the pond is going to get filled in first, and then the spillway would let the water out, and it'll come to the next swale along here. This swale, the spillway is kind of halfway through, just over there, as you can see. And then I was actually planning to make another swale further down in between this one and the last one over there. But the problem we hit was that right down kind of 1/3 of the way in, or 1/3 of the way in, the next swale was coming too close to this one. It would have kind of like messed it up. The mound would have been taken off from here to dig the next swale, so I thought we let that we missed this one. Then I thought we missed this swale here and go for the next one, which the machine is working on now. Here, this is the spillway for the second swale, and the pond is gonna go where the tree is, right next to it. This is another angle, another side where I'm showing it from, and this goes along to the kind of southeast corner of the plot. And we're going to be planting trees and stuff on the swale mounds, which I will update as we do that. At the moment, the problem is that this is not the season to plant trees. We've been advised to plant trees in January, the earliest, so we're going to wait a few days. It's December 7th today, so we're going to wait a few days and then plant the trees. But in the meantime, we'll spread some clover seeds on top and mulch it, so the clover gets going. Now that we have installed the 3 swales, this is how it looks. This is the middle swale. That's the top swale, and he's digging up the pond now. So this is the pond shaping out. This is how it looks after this all been dug up. This is the pond here. And those are the swales The berm right at the back over there needs to be flattened. It's quite high there, and the rest we need to just now mulch it up, because if the rain comes, it's gonna take the mud with it, and it's gonna ruin this all. So we need to protect it so water doesn't run off, and there is some protection to it. Ideally I should have planted something on it, like clover or something, but unfortunately there is no forecast for rain, and it's very difficult to water up high here after spreading the seed. So this is how far we've got, and now we're gonna go ahead and mulch it all up, and I'll show you in some other video how does it look like then. Till then, that's it.